So you were extremely motivated at the start of the year. You watched a lot of motivational videos, you created a vision board of your dreams, but as the months went by, you lost focus. You derailed from where you were meant to go. Your vision board seems a distant dream now, and you're starting to think that maybe you had set unrealistic targets. But wait, if you're feeling this way, then maybe you're not the only one. There are so many of us who are feeling like this right now as the sixth month is about to end. Hi there, this is Shreyashi, and in this video, I'm going to help you shift your mindset from feeling like you have lost 6 months to the start of the year mindset. So let's talk about reigniting that spark. The spark that's gone from the start of the year to 6 months into the year. Let's talk about ways in which we can reignite that spark. Number one, revise and revisit your goals. So what you need to do is you need to grab your vision board or the list of goals that you have made for this year. Write down your goals again, but this time just make sure that they are SMART goals. It should be specific, it should be measurable, it should be achievable, it should be relevant, and it should be time bound. Now break them down into smaller, manageable steps. So for example, if you want to read 12 books in a year, break that goal down into reading one book in 1 month. Now that sounds simple and achievable, and we do not usually get overwhelmed by setting smaller goals. So काफी बार लाइफ में हम जब बहुत बड़े गोल सेट कर लेते हैं ना, तो हम खुद ही इतने ओवरवेल्म हो जाते हैं, फिर हमें लगने लगता है कि नहीं ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. पर अगर उन्हीं बड़े गोल्स को छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया जाए या छोटे ड्यूरेशंस में डिवाइड कर दिया जाए, तो वो काफी अचीवेबल लगने लगते हैं, वो काफी doable लगने लगते हैं. And that is very important for us to continue to work on our goals. The second thing that you need to do is you need to do daily visualization. Now, I do not need to talk much about visualization and manifestation because there are numerous examples, numerous videos on YouTube that talk about how visualization works. And I'm not an expert, but all I know is this simple thing of visualizing your goal daily really sometimes helps you bring your dreams into reality. And I've heard many people talk about it on the internet. And I believe I have some faith in the fact that if you visualize your goal every single day, then it might even come true. Close your eyes for 5 minutes and just visualize your dream. Visualize that you've already achieved what you want to achieve. For example, I want to achieve 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Then every single morning, I have to close my eyes and I have to imagine that I already have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And not only that, I also have to imagine how I'm feeling about it. Like when I am in the moment, like when I've seen that I have reached 100,000, how am I feeling in that moment? So I have to actually visualize that feeling right now. And when you actually visualize this, it is then that your visualizations actually become your reality. Number three, you need to reflect and learn from your experiences. Now, this is something that I had a tough time inculcating in my life. Every evening, you need to sit down for 10 minutes and reflect on the day that went by. Like, सुबह से जो भी चीजें हुई हैं तुम्हारे साथ, just think about all those things and just reflect on what went well, what didn't go well, and just think about it. Take note of the things that went well, take note of the things that didn't go well. For example, early morning you had a heavy breakfast and you're not feeling good about it. Maybe you had a little unhealthy breakfast. Maybe you had aloo ke parathe in the morning. And in the evening, when you're reflecting, you're realizing that no, I shouldn't have had such a heavy breakfast because right now it doesn't make me feel so good. So this is your reflection for the day. So you can take action based on it. Like for example, next morning, you be aware from your experience that, okay, I had aloo parathe yesterday in the breakfast and I didn't feel so good about it. So today, let me try with a lighter breakfast or maybe, fruits, for example, or a smoothie, for example. So it's like when you take continuous learnings from your own days or from your own experiences, you can learn so much from it and you can improve your journey along the way. हम एक्चुअली 6 महीने बाद ऐसा इसलिए फील कर रहे होते हैं कि हमने कुछ अचीव नहीं किया क्योंकि इन 6 महीनों में हमने रिफ्लेक्ट ही नहीं किया. Like imagine if you would have done this every single day, or imagine you had done it every single month at least, you would have thought about, okay, this month I've achieved this, I've not achieved this, and this is going well. If I'm doing this, then this is going in the right track. If I'm doing this, then this is actually not, it's not giving me so much benefits like the efforts I'm putting. So it's like if you would have analyzed your steps during every month or every day for the best results, if you would have done that, then you would not be in a position that after 6 months, you'll be feeling like you have wasted your 6 months. But again, it's never too late. If you really want to achieve a goal in your life, then you need to reflect on the day. Also, another thing that you need to do is you need to write down one positive thing that happened in the day for you. Like be the smallest thing. कोई भी चीज छोटी चीज तुमने अगर की हो सकता है कि तुमने you sat around nature like I'm doing right now. I'm shooting from a balcony today. This is making me feel good. I know this is not a big thing, but it's some effort that I took. I took out my camera from the room. I put it here, setup वगैरह सब किया. I came out of my comfort zone and I did this, and it is making me feel better right now. So it is, for example, I can write this thing down in my diary कि okay मैंने कुछ अलग किया and made me feel better. So be the smallest thing. अब इससे कोई बड़ी चीज हुई है तो वो भी लिख सकते हो, but write down the one best thing that happened to you every single day. इससे तुमको अपने progress का अंदाजा होता है. Like मैंने तो एक random example दिया, but if you're working towards your goal, then if you did something in the direction of your goal, for example, you want to write a book. एंड तुम बहुत टाइम से प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहे थे कि बुक लिखनी है बट टुडे यू स्टार्टेड राइटिंग द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द बुक देन it's like the first step that you took towards your goal of becoming an author, and that is a big thing, right? So you need to write that down. जैसे तुम थोड़ा भी progress करते हो ना, it makes you feel like you have accomplished something, and it makes you feel good about how you're going or how you're progressing in your life, and this ultimately helps you build a positive mindset. Now, the fourth thing that you need to do is you need to track your progress. Now, this is similar to the previous point. So, in previous point, we were noting down one good thing that happened to us in the day, and we were visualizing on how the day went, the good and the bad. But in this one, what we are doing is we are tracking our progress. So, अगर तुमने already नहीं किया है, then make an Excel sheet with your goals, with your aspirations, and ये तो मतलब करना ही चाहिए सबको. I've done this and I track my progress every single day, but everyone should do it. Like if you have a goal and if there's something that you want to achieve, make a simple Excel sheet, write down all the things that you want to achieve, put a timeline to it, nothing fancy, just write down the months or quarters. अगर quarterly कुछ goal achieve करना है, quarterly लिखो, monthly लिखो, half yearly लिखो, but you need to have it written down. For example, मेरे केस में ऐसा हो सकता है कि फ्रेशी by end of July you need to have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So ये मेरा 1 month का गोल हो सकता है. अब अगर मैं अपना प्रोग्रेस देख रही हूँ कि एक महीने में इतना नहीं बढ़ रहा है, then I can even cut it down. I can make it like चलो 500 subscribers हो जाने चाहिए by the end of July. So you need to obviously change your goals as per your growth. It's important to have a plan of action, and it's important to have your goals written down in a place. कहीं भी तो लिखा होना ही चाहिए. And you need to track your progress on a weekly basis or daily basis or monthly basis. But करना तो important है. Every morning, just right after waking up, उस time हमारा weight सबसे कम होता है apparently. So that time I measure my weight and I write it down. So every morning I've been doing it and I've been seeing कि कितना change हो रहा है, right? So it gives a sense of accomplishment and makes you feel so good. Like if you're going in the right direction, it helps you feel good. And if you're not going in the right direction, then it also helps you realign. So it's like keeping a check on your own self, and that I feel is very very important. And this is one of the things that we don't do usually, and इसकी वजह से हमें शॉक लगता है साल के एंड में या ऐसे 6 months इंटरवल पे जब कुछ टाइम हो जाता है, then we realize कि हम थोड़ा भी आगे नहीं बढ़े, हमारा कुछ भी प्रोग्रेस नहीं हुआ है. It should not come as a shock to you. You should be prepared for it, and in fact you should be revising your strategies. You should be realigning your goals. You should be doing things. You should be aware of your progress, and that is very very important. So track your progress. Now the fifth and the last one is stay inspired. It's very very important to stay inspired in your journey. For example, if you're watching this video right now, I am assuming that you really are feeling bad about how you have lost your 6 months and you really want to take control of the coming 6 months. And that is a very good step in that direction because it's important to stay inspired. You are looking for motivation, that is a positive sign. बहुत लोग नहीं करते, बहुत लोग इंस्पिरेशन नहीं ढूंढते, बहुत लोग इतना सोचते भी नहीं है कि उनका time loss हुआ है या they have lost out on something or they are not going in the right direction. So I think you are thinking on these lines. That's a very very good step. So you need to stay inspired. Like you're watching this video, I'm sure there are many other videos out there on YouTube which inspire you to achieve something in life, or how to set goals, how to achieve your goals. इसमें बहुत सारे videos हैं. If you do not know any channels yet, for starters, you can start with subscribing to TED Talks. TED Talks is always so motivational. You can look for the topics that you want motivation in. Public speaking में चाहिए तुमको, confidence में चाहिए तुमको, body image में चाहिए तुमको, बहुत सारे topics हैं. I will mention some of my favorite TED Talks in the description section down below, so make sure you check them out. On a weekly basis or so, I will watch a few TED Talks, and it always leaves me feeling so inspired at the end of it. So it's very, very important that you find your own inspiration, you find your own motivation, and because I always say this, and I strongly believe that it's your journey, and not many people will come to uplift you, not many people will come to motivate you. So it's very important कि जो लोग ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं like this channel, I strongly feel that if I can help even one person feel motivated, I will feel so accomplished in my life. So I really like, you know, encouraging people, motivating people, because I know how it feels to be in a situation where you feel like कि तुम इससे बाहर नहीं आ सकते हो, like you're stuck in this situation and you are, you know, you cannot achieve something in life. And I know how it feels when people do not support you in that scenario or do not believe in you in that scenario. So it's very, very important that you find your own motivation. So be it TED Talks, be it books, be it, you know, any articles in the newspaper, find your motivation and always, always stay inspired. Do not lose hope. And yeah, so those were the 5 points that I wanted to talk about in today's video. I will just close by saying that remember that it's okay to lose focus, it's okay to derail from your path. But what's more important is to bounce back into the game and continue your journey with the same spark that you had when you started your journey at the start of the year. So that was my whole point of making this video, and I really hope it helped you. And if this video helped you, please make sure to hit a like on this one and do share it with your friends who you think would benefit from this video. And before I close, I will just show you the view that I'm seeing right now since the start of the video, because it's just so, so beautiful. And yeah, on that note, I will close the video here. I hope you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And I will see you again very, very soon in my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.